Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Gunadecor, the channel where we bring you the best interior design ideas to elevate your space. Today, we're diving into the art of contemporary living room design and showing you how to transform your living space into a modern masterpiece. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments your favorite design tips or questions. Now, let's begin. Contemporary interior design is all about the here and now. It reflects modern trends, sleek aesthetics, and an uncluttered vibe. Think clean lines, neutral palettes, and a perfect balance of form and function. It's the perfect choice for a living room that's both stylish and inviting. The foundation of a contemporary living room is its color scheme. Neutral tones like white, beige, and gray set the stage, while bold accents like navy, black, or mustard yellow can add personality. These combinations create a timeless and sophisticated look. In a contemporary design, less is more when it comes to furniture. Opt for low-profile sofas with clean lines, simple coffee tables, and multifunctional pieces. Avoid bulky designs and embrace minimalism to keep the space feeling open and airy. Lighting can make or break a contemporary living room. Use a mix of natural light and modern fixtures like pendant lights, recessed lighting, or LED strips. Layering your lighting adds depth and creates a cozy yet polished ambience. Contemporary style thrives on simplicity. Choose one or two statement art pieces or sculptures that resonate with your personality. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many accessories to maintain a clean and sophisticated vibe. Mixing textures and materials is a hallmark of contemporary design. Incorporate soft fabrics, sleek metals, and natural elements like wood or stone. The contrast creates visual interest and keeps the space from feeling sterile. A contemporary living room should flow effortlessly. Arrange furniture to encourage conversation, and leave enough space to move around comfortably. Functionality is just as important as style in this design approach. While contemporary design is about trends, it should still reflect you. Add personal touches through curated decor items, a pop of your favorite color, or custom furniture that tells your story. This makes the space truly yours. And that's how you can transform your living room with the art of contemporary design. We hope you're feeling inspired to take your space to the next level. Don't forget to like this video, leave us a comment with your favorite tip, and subscribe to Gunadecor for more incredible interior design ideas. See you next time.